Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to discuss about the default graphics settings in the Call of Duty mobile in the POCO X8 device. The POCO X8, which has got the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 processor and which is also called as the Redmi Note 12 Turbo device. The Redmi Note 12 Turbo and the POCO X8 device, they both will be having the same processor. So let me show you quickly about the Call of Duty gameplay default graphics settings, what you can actually expect in this POCO X8 device. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video regarding default graphics settings in the Call of Duty mobile. And the phone has got the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 processor. So regarding the performance, so the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 is really pretty good cable processor, which is kind of close to 8 Gen 1 processor in terms of the overall benchmarks and everything. That is what the phone is kind of very close. So right now I'm going to show you exactly the default graphics settings in this Call of Duty in the POCO X8, which is also called as the Redmi Note 12 Turbo device. In this graphic settings, as you can see, there is an option to play at 90 fps. As you can see, friends, clearly 90 fps is possible. So definitely there is a 90 fps. So in some phones using the ultra settings you can play at 120, and some phones they are restricted to 90. So in the medium settings the maximum is not enabled, and in the high you cannot use the ultra settings. Ultra settings is only possible with the low graphic settings at this moment. So right now I'll try to start, and let me to go back and start the multiplayer, so to see whether it's working or not. So we can actually track here the real-time FPS. So what FPS it's maintaining, we'll try to see. So we are getting it in 90 or not, 120 or what we are getting the real-time FPS, we'll try to track on the top of the game turbo mode. And right now the FPS is remaining around 60 FPS. So we are not getting anywhere close to 90 and nothing about 120 as well. So let me to check the display settings what I have used. So did I select 120 or 60? So I selected the 120 Hz only, the custom refresh rate, but still I was unable to get that high FPS. So right now we are getting about 60 FPS only, as you can see, friends. So as you can see right now 60 fps we are getting exactly. So these are the quick details about the default graphic settings, what you can actually expect in this POCO X8 device. So maybe the software is the one which might be limiting. But overall the gameplay experience is really very smooth in this device. I didn't have any kind of problems. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this overall quick review about the default graphic settings, what you can actually expect in the POCO X8 device. So meanwhile, signing off, thank you for watching and stay tuned, and also don't forget to check the links in description for more details on this device in case if you want to know more details. Until then, signing off and bye.